Kapoy istorya sa live kay kung mag-istorya ka about sa personal nimo, dagkay makahibaw, dagkay makabati. Mas nindot na mag-istorya eh. You call me, I talk to you. Hello, Dro. Katugo naman ko, Dro, oy. Saan naman orasa, Dro? 11:10 na, Dro. Philippine time. 11:10. My number. My number. My number is... I will say you my number. You send my, that's my number. I have only one number.